Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. And Daniel. Wave to him.
Hi.
Alright, so this morning here, it's Friday, and this morning I did a little workout here. Not sure how well it's going to show all the brightness around it, but I'll try to get it down here so you can see it right. So what I did down here, I added a T in there and went off to that black ball valve, the line that comes up here and goes over here. From there, it goes over to there. So what I did is, by putting it in there off of there, I eliminated the garden hose that was running over to there. So I don't have to worry about running over the garden hose. This will also allow me to get more pressure out here to this valve here, and then later on, after I get all the work done here and the concrete done, I can tie off of here and run over a 1-inch line over into the planter area over there, and then that 1-inch line will be able to handle the sprinklers rather than the 1/2 inch or 3/4, wherever it's coming from inside the house. It'll have a lot more flow and therefore more pressure when it turns on. So that was this morning's project, and we're going to do a little work on that with the tractor here in a little bit.
Is that your big tractor?
Yeah, that's my big tractor. Any type of tractor is big to the kid.
Daddy's tractor.
So we're going to get with that, but I wanted to show you this, and I may or may not tag onto this with the tractor work, or I just may make this a little separate one showing what I did there. Alrighty, so we'll see you around one way or another.